Hi, this is Umar. For the past few days, we have been telling some strategies on how to manage them or adjust them, and I am sure you would have been benefited from these strategies in one way or another. Now, is that enough to make money in the stock market? I don't think so. We need a little more edge to sustain here, and for that, we need to analyze the market and take better decisions. You know strategies, you know adjustment, but that alone will not help you. You need to know what is happening in the market, right? That's where price action kicks in. We don't follow any indicators, but we give some importance to price action and data analysis so that you take better decision. Now that's first thing. Second thing is we have told strategies and adjustment. Now we will show you how to deploy these strategies and make adjustment if required on a day-to-day basis, so that you understand how these things work. We will deploy various strategies like iron condor, iron fly, debit spread, credit spread, ratio spread, and some other strategies, and we will see how much we could generate return on monthly basis. The reason I am telling hedged position is that there are many retail traders with limited capital, and for the benefit of them we are trying to do a fully hedged position. We will deploy strategies and mention the rationale or logic behind the strategies, and we will adjust the positions if required. And the strategies will be done on weekly or in some cases monthly options. Now if you want to take these trades, of course you can take it at your own risk and responsibility. Now tomorrow we are going to take a virtual trade in Sensible, and we will adjust the position if required. I am going to explain the details of the trade shortly. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you are new. And you don't have to take these trades. You watch first and understand the logic, and once you gain the confidence you will be able to take these trades. Okay, now let's see what price action tells us. See, we have been following certain channel patterns, price action for taking our trades or taking some strategies or exiting some strategies. Before a few days, I have mentioned in our Telegram channel, and there will be a 15,000 should be a good support, and that is what happened exactly. The upper resistant trend line is acting as a resistant. It acted as a resistant on around 15267, and it acted as a resistant at around 15,000. I think Nifty went till 15,030 and it reversed. Once it reversed, and next day when it gapped down, we sold 15,000 calls in Nifty weekly option for around 27 rupees, and it is trading at around 2 rupees or 2.5 rupees now. So that's a 25 rupees profit for a single unit. So this is how we trade, and that is one thing. And for tomorrow's trade, what we are expecting is this space which is in blue color. If you notice this space, for the past 3 days Nifty is trying to reject. It is not going below. Bears are trying to push below this line, but it is not going. On 12th it gapped down. There was a massive gap down, and it regained around I think 100-200 points. Next day also it came down, it rejected. Third day also it is rejecting, on 5th also. So 3rd May it rejected, 4th May it rejected, and 5th May also it is rejecting. The reason is this big gap down, which was due to financial budget on around 2nd February, which happened on 2nd February. There was a big gap down, and market continued to rally. That gap is this one. So it is not allowing. The bears are pushing the market down, but bulls are trying to sustain this gap. Same here. It is rejected here, it is rejecting here. In this case the trend line came. So in this case I am believing there is a strong hope that market might be range bound, or market may reverse in this from here. That is what I am studying from this price action. Maybe market can go down, or maybe market can go up. And that is what if you see the open interest chart. This is the monthly open interest option chain, and you can see there is significant put writing on 14,500, and that can also be seen here in the bar chart. Let me show you. Yeah, this is for weekly chart. Let me show. Weekly chart also you can see there is significant put writing, and in the monthly chart also there is significant. See here, there is massive put writing in 14,500. So we can consider that as a support, and 15,500 call is also going to be a good resistance. So in the coming few days, market can be range bound between 14,500 to 15,000. Either it has to break 15,000 on the upside, or it has to break 14,500 on the downside. So taking and let's see what PCR put call ratio says. So put call ratio is around 0.74. So that is how they interpret this PCR is, whenever it is below 7.4, they look it as a bullish trend, and whenever it is above 1 or 1.5, they regard it as a bearish trend. That is what PCR says, and it is around 7.4. And let's see how things span out. So when comparing this and when seeing this price action, tomorrow what I have planned is I am going to take a iron condor in weekly option. That is, we are going to take a iron condor on 12th expiry, May 12th expiry. We will deploy that iron condor tomorrow, and we will see how things work. Since 15,000 is good resistance, and on the downside 14,000 is a good resistance, we will take a 15,000, we will sell 15,000 call, and maybe will buy 15,100 call, and on the downside maybe we will sell 14,200 call, and we will buy 14,100 we will sell 14,200 put, and we will buy 14,100 call, and so it becomes a iron condor, right? And we will see how we will manage, how much it is going to give us profit, and if the trade goes wrong, we will try to manage, and we will try to adjust the position. Now market was highly volatile today, and because there are our RBI governor came out with some relief measures, and bank nifty shooted up like anything. But in fact today nifty hasn't it's only up by 1.1% when you compare it with bank nifty is more, I think. It's more than 1.5%, but nifty is only around 1%. So because of that the sentiment was positive, and because of bank nifty shooted up, nifty was also going up, otherwise it would have come down. That is what I think. And global cues are European futures and Dow futures are trading in profit, trading in positive territory. So we that global cues supported us, and we were able to close in green. Now we ourselves are having many local issues, because only because we are very stupid enough to follow the global cues, we are ignoring our own issues. We are suffering with corona, we are suffering with COVID patients, and there are rumors that there is an Indian version of corona which is very aggressive. So seeing all these factors, I strongly believe market should be consolidating, or maybe the upside is limited. So let's see how things pan out. And so this is just a try. I want even though we are telling many strategies, I don't know if people are trying, so I thought let's do some practical things and explain to you so that this learning curves comes as easy as possible. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.